people that take it in, you need to go slower than you think you do.
Right.
And I don't know yet.
You do.
How slow, but
you can never be too slow unless you run out of film space. I mean, it's not film anymore, it's space.
okay.
All right.
You really couldn't beat this for the conditions.
I mean, the waterfalls have been nice, but
oh
but
yeah.
for the weather and everything.
Yeah. Okay, right. Minus the water.
They'll be here next time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where now?
Well, we can just go back the way we just came.
Do you want to go just let's just go up a little bit farther. Like I said,
You know, this doesn't look like it would, this looks like it might be fairly mild back towards the falls, but we won't see anything we haven't already just seen. So
well, let's go here and then let's just go back the way we came or whatever.
Yeah. I think that's good. I think you're right.
Like I say, this is we came out here to see, man.
They found a good spot. Excellent spot. Let's see. I'm shining it, looking right at the sun. That won't be the best shot.
No, that won't work well.
It'll be washed out for a little bit. Okay. At least I caught it.
Probably unless you had about $2,000 camera.
Oh, yeah. I think they call it a high dynamic range, but one of the best picnic spots in the world right here. Awesome job. Been here before or just stumbled onto it?
First time.
Really?
Great job. Great choice.
Love back Kansas City.
Kansas City? Really? I guess this is about the closest thing to mountains you can get from Kansas City.
Usually in the fall we go to like southern Utah or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We didn't want to fly. So
Right.
we looked and looked and looked. This is the closest we could find.
Awesome job. Yeah.
I guess southern Utah is quite spectacular.
It is.
And how far is that from home?
We usually fly to Vegas.
Oh, okay.
And then it's just a couple hours up to Zion and that area.
Yeah, we just climbed over the whole thing and came down.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You did that? Woo. Good job. I
Yeah,
mean,
this is about the closest thing we had to entertainment around here.
Yeah, us
Well.
too. But not much
well,
in Kansas.
it's good entertainment where you're not just sitting and somebody else is doing all the fun.
There's just not much in Lawton anyway. I mean,
But
it's pretty.
there's this.
Right.
This is it.
There is this.
That's what we came for.
And there's like a bunch of little of spots that are close like this. This is a really good one. I mean, here in the refuge.
Have you guys? Okay, you said this the first time. I was gonna say this the way you guys came is really considerably better